Yo, the worst shit just happened to me. Like, oh my fucking god! I don't know where my fucking earring is at. I honestly, I went to sleep in this fucking bed, and then I got the earring back. Where is it at? I got the back of the earring, but the top part is fucking gone. So it's like, honestly, and this is my first time getting my ears pierced. Bro, I got my ears pierced like 3 months ago, bro. Am I fucking cooked, bro? I'm about to go run to the store to get a new earring and just fill that bitch right here, bro. Cause god damn, man. That's crazy as shit.